All right, you guys, it is time to replace my hair system. I've had my system since March, roughly about 4 months of wear. For people that are asking why you have to replace your systems, just like natural hair, it's going to shed over time, but it's not regrowing out of your head. So there's going to be little holes. So you're gonna see there's like some areas where there's really no hair left and it's just the cap. And these little holes, especially once I've started to style my hair, you'll definitely be able to see them. They're more pronounced. And that's when you know that it's time to start looking for a new system. LaVivid reached out to me a couple months ago and wanted me to review one of their systems. So they sent me one to try for free. For those of you that are familiar with buying systems, they come fairly long and curly so that you can cut them and style them to your liking. The thing that was hard about getting a system on their website is you just kind of had to look at pictures and kind of guess your color. And I think I guessed pretty well. This one looks pretty close to my natural color. Total grandma vibes with this curl going on. But I need to cut into this and put it on my head. All right, I just installed my new system from LaVivid. First initial thoughts on this thing. Look at the color. You cannot tell where my hair starts and where the system starts. Like, it all blends in so well. The actual hair, this actual human hair, is super thick and luxe, and it cuts so nicely. I actually installed this system and cut it myself, which was a little daunting, but I think it turned out really well just because of the quality of hair that it has. That being said, the downside on this system is the cap. If you look at the cap, it is really shiny, like a plastic bag. And when you're under direct overhead lighting or you're outdoors where you're in the sunlight, it's definitely easy to tell that you're wearing a system because that shine that comes through the hair and through the cap. This system was $250, which I didn't pay for. They sent this for free for the review, but my last system was $600. So that's a really big difference in pricing for the only difference to really be the cap being a little bit shiny. If you are down for a budget system, I would definitely check out LaVivid because, I mean, this thing is awesome. I'm going on vacation tomorrow and I'm ready to put this thing to work. We're gonna go swimming. We are gonna go beach it up. We're gonna be sightseeing, and I will have a better idea of what to tell you about the system when I return.